not that big. Mine's last Christmas.
Brian?
Cool. My buddy.
Orders box.
Is that the bag?
That's my receipts.
Ah, okay.
And the border stuff they gave me when I bought my mom's book. I never all your tape on it. How many of these did you wrap? 4?
5 if you count my mom. She used a knife though.
You want the scissors? You want the scissors?
No, I can do it.
I have the scissors in my hand.
It gets worse.
That would never work on a dog. It's taking that Justin so long.
I want to get dressed.
Should have duct taped the bottom. I think I don't. Oh wait. Cool. What's in here?
Batteries.
Should duct tape this too? I found them. I ripped it open. I don't think I opened this in the way I was supposed to, did I? Thank you.
Justin.